When I first started my fitness journey, I thought the only way to get in shape was to hit the gym hard every day. But over time, I realized that fitness isn't one size fits all, and that's where yoga and hiking came into the picture. I remember a time I was completely burnt out, mentally and physically. A friend suggested yoga, and honestly, I rolled my eyes at first. I thought, I need to sweat, not just sit and breathe. But I gave it a shot. That first session, it kicked my ego to the curb. I was shaking in poses, struggling to stay present, but when I walked out of that room, I felt lighter, more centered, and my body, it thanked me the next day. Then there's hiking. Nature is my therapy. There's something powerful about walking uphill, breathing in crisp air, feeling your heart pound. Not out of stress, but out of pure, raw effort. I've had some of my biggest breakthroughs out on the trail. No distractions, just me, my thoughts, and the rhythm of my steps. So, which is better, yoga or hiking? If you're just starting out, both offer incredible benefits. Yoga builds strength, flexibility, and mind-body awareness. It's low impact, which means it's gentle on your joints. And let's not forget, it teaches patience, something most of us skip when we're chasing fitness goals. Hiking, on the other hand, gets your heart pumping. It's a great cardio workout that also challenges your muscles, especially your legs and core. It builds endurance, and being outdoors gives you that mental reset we all need. But here's the thing, you don't have to choose one over the other. They actually complement each other. Yoga improves your balance and flexibility, skills that make you a better hiker. And hiking builds stamina and strength, things that make your yoga practice stronger. I found that alternating between both gave me the best of both worlds. Yoga days helped me recover, stretch, and reconnect. Hiking days made me feel alive and strong. So if you're wondering where to start with what excites you. If you love calm and flow, roll out a mat. If you crave adventure and movement, lace up your boots. Or do both. Fitness isn't about punishing your body. It's about listening to it, moving with intention, and most importantly, finding something you can stick with, not just for a few weeks, but for life. So whether you're on a mountain trail or in a quiet studio, remember this, you're showing up, and that's what counts.